No, this ain't skeeter repellent. This is evergreen scent pine wonderland. Gotta get in the mood. We don't live in the woods anymore, so we're doing a little pick-me-up, little Vicks inhaler, and spray some pine wonderland and just get right in the mood, folks. It's not New Year's yet. We're on the last leg of Christmas, right here on my take on Home and Garden. This is a tradition also, and we want to share it with you. We know we've done a haul or two in different times of the year, but we always do the after Christmas haul, so we wanted to share it with you. Also, I got this beautiful black lantern with the metal cutout. I'm sure some of you saw it from my oldest son, and it didn't get in the What You Got for Christmas video, so I wanted to mention that. Just love it. Now, we went all over the place, of course, so let me show you some of that. Here's some cool gift tags. Half price, $1.50. We'll move it right along. Then on eBay, I got another deer family. Vintage, probably 70s, maybe 80s, but the little necklaces talk 70s to me. Okay. Dad, Mom, and baby fawn. So I needed another batch. We saw, you saw the other ones, just so you know, they're not the same at all. I didn't spray them. Here's the last ones you saw, which I just got this year too. Can't have an empty sleigh, folks. Something's gotta pull them, right? So that's the newest reindeer family set. And then we found some of the ornaments to go on the fruit and vegetable and dessert tree. And here's another blueberry waffle. Too cute. Look at that. Half price, which is $5. The girls didn't have this green ribbon candy ornament. That's really good. I mean, it makes you want to reach out and try it. Okay, now back to, back to Big Lots. When I can, I love these boxes. Now, we all know they're cardboard and you don't want to pay a whole lot. Look how this folds. I just love this. Every year I'll get one or two, that's all. But then, it adds up over time. So, full price was $7. No, I'm not ever paying that for cardboard. But $3.50 that I can put tissue paper in here and put some specialty ornaments. I love it. Then boxes like this go right in our linen closet or in dresser drawers that we don't need because we hang up most everything. That is a big help. I've tried to tell before when you're squeezed for space. If you hang up all your clothes, and even pant hangers, which we hang up most of them. My high boy man's dresser is mostly full of Christmas ornaments. That's how I like it, guys. Now I gotta get up and get these for you. The nicer oversized pillows, depending on where you go. If you go to Kohl's, these are $29.95. Okay? If you go to Big Lots during the year, they're $20. After Christmas, I'm telling you, they're really cute, and they got it's almost like lamb's wool. We know it's faux, but it's just really well done. Look at the front. Guys, $10. Where are you gonna go? 2 for $20. That's why we go. And you'll see them on the sofa next year. So we'll have something different. Here's some new candles from my son's girlfriend. Real sweet. Beautiful colors. Look at those colors. Christmassy. burgundies for that lantern, and you can change it out and put a little holly in there with berries. It'll be wonderful. Now let's see, make sure we're going to Hobby Lobby. I couldn't believe how light. Okay, just so you, if you haven't gotten to get out, I'm gonna show you in 2 swipes what I got at Hobby Lobby. I'd say you were full of beans if somebody said they saw me come out of Hobby Lobby with only 4 little picks like that. Of course, they're good size pick, but that's it. It was picked over, folks. And you probably saw a couple of these. I wanted another one because, you know, I don't want everything to have red in it. It depends on what you want to do. If you're like me at all, you're already thinking about next year. Look at the frozen white berries. I'm just nuts about them. You put this with some pine, and even with this one, and they're just beautiful. Give that frozen wonderland look. Okay, then that was it at Hobby Lobby. Then on to Michael's. Again, picked over pretty good, and this is just the day after Christmas now. The people that went today or the next day, forget it. Here's a cool, this is different, we don't have anything like it. Cluster of bells. They're like oiled bronze look with the bow and berries. Normally $14.99, $7.50, guys. I'm all right with that. It's a good size. There's a bunch. I like the color. And again, here's the ribbon. Y'all have seen it. Who's gonna pay that top price for that? Not me. 60% off. This it should be 30 feet. Okay, 25 by 2.5. Beautiful. $4. We're still at Michael's. Back in the trays where you can pick through the picks, they had these. I do like these. You know, we're not big country, but every once in a while I like the deer horn. Okay? At half off, it's a good size, $2. $2 a piece. That's it. More from Michael's. Now I want to show you these. You know we have some of these gold branches. They're really different. And we can use them in the big vases. And we have a lot of floor vases and up high shelf vases. This is normally their $10 branch. It's $5. That was $5 today. And I'll tell you, I love these. Like I say, we had some, and the gold doesn't come off. They're well done. They're big and they're well done. So we had to get a couple of them. And that's all that was left. You know, I might have got 4 or 6 if that wasn't it. But that was it. Now something really cute. These, I would call these like eucalyptus leaves. Maybe poplar leaves, but they're in the gold and they're in about 2 or 3 different tones. That makes it real nice. So you know I deal and want to work with a lot of gold. That will probably never change. So we got a couple of them. $5. You just have to set a little budget. And we were honestly good. We had a couple of gift cards. I want to tell you, we went to 3 stores, probably spent $180 altogether, but only $60 of our own money. No kidding, because of gift cards and gifts. And I still have a gift card for Hobby Lobby from my son. We didn't burn it up. You saw we only got a few. So I'll have that for spring. Then it will be burning a hole in my pocket by then. Another $45 on the gift card for Hobby Lobby. Still at Michael's. You know, you saw some boxwood before, but not like this. This is their $30, which you know the game, but at half, this is a nice garland for 15, okay? And it's 5.5 feet. But it's real pretty. Frosted with red berries. Had to have it. The only one left. I would have got more if there was more. Now this berry bunch, this was unique. Normally, like they're $19 pick. It's really good. It's well done. It's cranberries or crabapple. What I liked about it, why it's so different, I love working with different. This has a gold cheek on the berries. See? Really cool. So there was only a couple, I got one. I was trying to be good. Here's a really different garland. This is in the arborvitae leaf. Frosted, frozen. Look at that look, guys. For next year, hint, hint, with real pine cones. Again, another about 5.5 feet. Real good. $15. I'm happy with that. I won't pay their full. Nobody's. I won't do it. I know you don't want to either. We got to get 2 of those. Look at the look. Just gorgeous. You put that now with a lantern and a candle. Okay, guys, girls, we just had a cool live chat with some of our friends. You know who we are. That was fun. And we're just stoked for the rest of the holiday season. We hope you're enjoying it. When I'm done here, I'm turning up the music. I got all the Italians lined up. Frank, Dean, Tony, you know them, and the women too. So who leads the way for the women in the Christmas music? 2 I think of right away. Nancy Wilson. If you haven't heard her, you have to hear it. It's What I Want for Christmas by Nancy Wilson and Natalie Cole. Guys, real good stuff. One more neat thing I want to show you from Big Lots. You know, you saw our organization video in the sneak peek into Christmas. Check it out if you haven't. But here's some news. So this is what we do every year. We get rid of cardboard boxes and we upgrade to some bins. So I got 3 of these in the Sterilite. Real nice size. This will be, you know, for our berry picks and things you don't want to get smashed or something set on it all year. And look at this snap lid with a nice handle. And these will stack. So you see, we got 3 of them. I like to be organized. And every year I do more and more and more about that. This is their 650 size. So for less than $20, I got 3 of these. This, I can't wait. I mean, I can wait, but I'll be ready. Give us a like. Give us a share, a comment, a snowmobile full of new subscribers. We thank everybody for coming over, for your time. And our next video is going to be our end of year with all our favorite comments. And we're going to really make it fun. Follow us on Instagram. Take care, everybody.